Good morning, Thelma. 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 Whoa, she's turned the wrong way. Hi, sweetie pea. Yes, she got her eyes open. Yes, she does. Good morning, Thelma. How's Thelma? She's a pretty girl. I don't know if you can see, she has nice light brown markings. Similar to her brother Milo, only less, not quite so dark. Not quite so dark. Yeah. She's a very pretty little girl. And she just looks like a girl to me. If you see her in person, I think you'll know what I mean. I don't know how to describe it. She seems feminine. If that makes any sense, how a puppy can seem feminine, but she does. She just looks like a little girl. She's very petite. Though she's probably not the smallest. I think Louise is the smallest pup. But the two girls are definitely smaller than the three boys. Though that doesn't necessarily mean that it will hold throughout their lives. I'm not sure what indicator that is. Yes, we'll go get your mom in a minute. Say goodbye. Just wave goodbye.